How to change YouTube TV billing credit card. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search for YouTube TV. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up, which is the official YouTube TV page. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Sign In located on top right and sign in with your Google account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find your profile on top right. In there, click on Settings. Then go to Billing, which is below Membership. In Billing, Payment Method, update it. Then this kind of screen will pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Change Payment Method, or simply click on Manage and Payment Method will turn up. Click on the arrow, then click on Add Credit Card or Debit Card option. If you click on that, you need to add your credit card and your TV billing credit card will be changed, and that's how you change YouTube TV billing card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.